Hi, good morning. Today I decided to vlog a day in my life in Buenos Aires in summer. As you can see by the title, it's literally so hot here. I woke up sweating because the sun points straight to my bed and it's so hot in the morning. I just woke up a half an hour ago. It's 9:30 right now, and today's plan is basically working quite a lot until night because I have a birthday party. I also have to prepare for that and get ready. But as in work, I have to do some client work. I am right now managing two social medias, so I have to make sure that they are active and gaining attraction since I'm doing the designs and posting them. So that's one thing. And then I have to edit two videos. Then afterwards probably get ready for the birthday party. Also, I decided to take a break this week, for posting in YouTube, and I was a bit delayed, so I thought, why not record everything this week and then start posting from the next week. Today is Saturday, so I will be starting to post on Tuesday. But anyways, let's just have right now breakfast and then maybe get to work. Okay, so everything I told you in the morning, I didn't really do anything. I was just chilling. I did some content planning and then watched some shows. And now I'm going to take a nap, a real quick nap, because I'm feeling sleepy for some reason. So I'll take a nap and see at what time I wake up. Depending on that, I'll see if to get ready for the birthday party or to do something related to work. But we'll see. But anyways, I'll see you when I wake up. Okay, so I woke up at 7 p.m., took a nap for 3 hours, which I don't think it will be called a nap at this point. But I woke up, did some client work since they wanted some changes, and then afterwards I started to get ready to go to the birthday party, and now still have to do my hair, and then afterwards I will be leaving to go to the birthday party. But not gonna lie, this was one of the best naps I have ever had in my life. I feel so rested and I will be able to be awake until late night. But anyways, let's just finish getting ready and leave for the birthday party.